Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change settings in DeepSeek AI step by step. If you want to customize your DeepSeek experience, manage your account preferences, or adjust any available options, this guide will walk you through the process. Please note that the available settings may vary depending on your account and the current version of DeepSeek, so let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek website and sign in to your account if you haven't already. After signing in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or account menu. If a settings option is available, click on it to open the settings page. Here, you'll see the available settings for your account. Depending on the current version of DeepSeek, you may find options related to your account, appearance, language, notifications, or other preferences. If you'd like to change one of the available settings, simply select the option you want, make your changes, and save them if required. After saving, return to the main chat screen and continue using DeepSeek with your updated preferences. Keep in mind that DeepSeek may add, remove, or update settings over time, so your screen may look slightly different from what's shown in this tutorial. That's how you can access and change the available settings in DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.